Hi guys, welcome to Wing Ting's Kitchen. Today we're going to make pan-fried soy sauce chicken wings. The ingredients for this are simple and can be easily bought from a local supermarket. You can have these chicken wings as a snack or turn it into a main and cook up the sauce and serve it with rice. It's a simple recipe, so let's get started. You will need 10 chicken wings, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of oil, 2 slices of ginger, 1 spring onion, 200 milliliters of water. It's optional, but if you want a thicker sauce, you'll need 1 teaspoon of corn flour. First, poke holes into the chicken wings. I'm using all flat 2-bone chicken wings, not the drumettes, so the cooking time will be similar. Poking holes will let the marinade into the chicken wings and also make it easier and faster to cook. Add in the light soy, dark soy, sugar, and garlic powder. Massage the sauce into the chicken and make sure they are all covered in the sauce. If your bowl or your box has a lid, put the lid on and give it a final shake before putting in the fridge to marinate for at least 1 hour or overnight if you can. On medium heat, in a non-stick frying pan, add in the oil. Then add in the ginger so it can infuse with the oil. When the edges of the ginger start to sizzle, add in the chicken wings. Once all the chicken wings are in the pan, turn up the heat and let it sizzle. Let it turn darker, then flip. The chicken wings should now be a deep dark soy colour. Lower the heat. Add water. Oh, and don't forget to add the sauce which the chicken wings were marinated in and the spring onion. Put the lid on and bring to a boil. Simmer for 5 minutes on high heat. Turn down the heat and let the chicken wings simmer for about 10 minutes. Halfway through, flip them over so they colour evenly. Take the lid off and let the liquid evaporate. Or, what I like to do is pour out 90% of the sauce, which I will cook up and have it with rice and the chicken wings. And then let the rest of the sauce cook with the chicken wings and flip occasionally until there's no more liquid. And the soy sauce chicken wings are ready to serve now. Oh, if you are making the sauce, mix water and corn flour into a little dish. Once it's all combined, pour it into the sauce. Mix it in and turn up the heat. Bring to a boil and the sauce will thicken. Check the consistency. If you like it thicker, add some more corn flour and water. But if you like the consistency, it's good to go. So here are my soy sauce chicken wings. It's really yummy and the chicken's soft and juicy. If you cook up the sauce, it goes perfectly with rice. It doesn't require many ingredients, so why not give it a try soon? If you liked my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me and I hope to see you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye!